Today, Princess announced huge changes to their Plus and Premier package, as well as charging for a lot of things that used to be included when you went on a Princess cruise. So let's go ahead and get started. Hi there, this is Allison with Let's Go Travel Tips, and today is Thursday. It's July 27th of 2023. I want to start right off by inviting you all to please subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to our channel. We're glad to have all of you who are new with us. Welcome to our channel, and if you appreciate these updates, would you please give this video a thumbs up because that really helps us as well. As you can see, we are back here at headquarters. We had a fantastic cruise on the Island Princess, and I'll talk to you more about that another day. Today, Princess has announced huge changes, and I think it's really important to get those out to you. So let's start at the top. First of all, the big changes that Princess has made are going to start rolling out on August 2nd on a ship-by-ship basis. When I can get the information for you on which ship, on what day, I will do that. So I'll look forward to having that hopefully for you by tomorrow. But this is a really big deal, the changes that they're making. The main things that are impacted is there are going to be additional charges for dining that used to be included, for the Ocean Now delivery service that used to be included, and for room service. We now have a room service charge, you guys, on Princess Cruises. So first of all, let's talk about the big change to dining. So if you have cruised on Princess before, you know that we have historically had our included dining and we have had specialty dining. Now things are changing. Included dining is now going to still be like your main dining room, your international cafe, the pizza that is up by the pool deck there, that grill area that's up by the pool deck, and the buffet. Those are not going away, and the Scoops ice cream for an ice cream cone. That is still going to be included. But Princess is introducing a new category called casual dining. Casual dining is going to include things that have been included before, like our Alfredos and our Gigi's, and I hate to say that. When we have been on ships that have the Alfredos or the Gigi's, I have thoroughly loved getting to eat there. You could have lunch there, you could have dinner there, and it was always included. Now it is going to cost $14.99. They are putting together these set menus, 3 courses that have your appetizer, your main course, and your dessert, and that's going to be $14.99. If you want something that is not included in that, that is going to be an additional a la carte charge. Okay, so that's a really big change with Princess. Some of the other things that are going to be put into that casual dining heading there is going to be Vine's, Salty Dog Pub, O'Malley's, Ocean Terrace, Planks, Steamers, places like that. That's now going to be available in those 3 course menus for $14.99, and then the extra a la carte. Okay, so that's a big change. Another thing that's going to go with that is, specialty dining is going to stay what it is. We're used to like the Crown Grill, your Sabatinis, that new Catch by Rudy. Those are staying specialty dining. But they are making a new segment called Experiential Dining. That's going to be the 360 dining experience, which is still remaining invitation only. Then they've got the Chef's Table Lumiere. The Chef's Table Lumiere is when you've got that beautiful table, like think of the Majestic Princess on the big ships, where you've got that circular table there in the middle of one of the main dining rooms, and then when you're sitting down, you know, those it's like beads go around you to kind of close off that dining experience. Also the Chef's Table, which would be the ones that don't have that beautiful table setting there, and then also the Winemaker's Dinner. When Gordon and I were just on the Island Princess, they had a winemaker's luncheon where you taste all of these different kinds of wine and champagne. And then the reason that we attended is when the waiter in the main dining room was selling it to us, he said, oh, the food is like the chef's table food. And we wanted to try that. So we did. It's $70 a person. The food was really good. It was way better than what you get in the main dining room. It was that lovely menus and the blend of flavors and lovely things like we are used to getting, like before COVID, really nice dining. It was delicious, but I don't think I need to do that again. We mainly did it so that we could tell you all about it. So those are the things that'll be there in the experiential dining. So that casual dining charge is what's going to be new. Like I said, $14.99 every time you eat there. And the changes, though, it's going to charge everyone who doesn't buy a package. So if you buy the Plus package, you're going to get 2 of those during the course of your cruise. And if you buy the Premier package, you get unlimited, however many you want. Another thing that is now going to cost is Princess has that medallion. It's handy for things like unlocking your stateroom door. You can have things ordered, like you can order like a drink brought to you wherever you are on the ship, whether it's your cabin or by the pool or in a lounge, wherever you are. And then you can look at the schedule of events, your state board account, all of these kind of things on that app. Well, it had been included to have that portion of the app where you can have things delivered to you, that the Ocean Now delivery service. You would simply open it up to have food or beverages ordered delivered to you wherever you are. But now that is not included. It's going to be a one-time fee of $14.99 when you get on the ship there, one-time fee of $14.99 to activate that for your whole cruise. Otherwise, you can't use that. And I don't know. I don't think that's a really cool move. Princess uses that medallion. Yep, they say it's handy for people, all of their passengers. And I think it's handy when you have something delivered to you. It's handy to walk up to your cabin door and not have to get a card out to unlock it. But other than that, Princess uses it like crazy. That little medallion, they track you. They know what you buy, where you eat, what you drink, where you spend most of your time on the ship, what lounges you use, what you don't, what shows you go to, what you don't go to. They do a lot of market research with that app and all of the data that they gather from what you do when you're on your cruise. And now they're going to charge you for it. You're going to pay $10 to get it delivered, and you're going to pay $14.99 to be able to have anything delivered to you. The other thing that comes with that is it is a really limited menu of what you can have delivered to you while you're on board. So when we were just on the Island Princess, when you look at those mocktails, the only real mocktail that you can have delivered to you is a Sunshine Daiquiri. And other than that, you can have like tomato juice, orange juice, pineapple juice, and soda delivered to you in your cabin. I think that was all, or anywhere on the ship. If you want a different mocktail, there was one other mocktail. I apologize, I forgot. It's like what do they call that? Anyway, I'll find it and tell you tomorrow. But one other one. But anything else you want, you have to go to a bar to get. And the same with the snacks and the meals. It's a much smaller menu for that. But anyway, you're going to have to start ordering. You're going to have to start paying to be able to use that service. The next thing that is another charge is going to be for room service. So historically, room service has been free on Princess. It is $5 now per delivery. It's a little tricky though, so listen, okay? So if you use your phone to order room service, it's a $5 charge. If you use your app to order food to you in your room, if you have activated that ocean delivery service, it's free, okay? Phone, it costs $5. App, if you've activated that, it's free. If you have the Plus or the Premier package, room service is free. Here is a really tricky thing though, and I don't think this is cool. For suite guests, if they book their cruise with Plus or Premier, then the room service charge is included. If they book just at the standard cruise fare without a package, if they use their phone to order the room service, it's going to cost $5 every time, even if you're in a suite. I think that's ridiculous, but that's just me. So keep in mind, all of those things are now going to cost. If you have a Plus or a Premier package, the room service is included. The Ocean Now delivery activation fee, that $14.99, that is included. So clearly, these charges are kind of what Princess did with getting rid of the coffee package. They are doing their best to get everybody moved to booking that Plus package or the Premier package. That shows that those are very profitable for them. Otherwise, they wouldn't be trying to push people to book them. So in the coming days, I'm going to do a video for you where I walk through what I think is worth it based on whether the real big thing is if you drink alcohol or not, or if you ever use room service, quite frankly. That's going to come into play, and a few other things. So we need to talk about that. There's a lot of people that tell me they don't even use the app once they board the ship. They put their phone in the safe, or they just don't bother with it. If they want a drink, they just go get a drink. So we've got a lot to think about here together. Now, I want to go through here really quickly and let you know what is included with the Plus package and the Premier package based on these updates. It's really clear that if you don't get a package and you want to use that ocean delivery service, you're going to have to pay the $14.99. If you want to use the room service, you're going to have to pay the $5. So aside from that, let's talk about this. The Plus beverage package includes all of your beverages up to $15 each. So if you order a beverage and it costs $18, you're going to have to pay $3. That's how that works. It includes like your specialty coffees, your smoothies, your bottled water. You get 25% off of your bottles of wine. So anything pretty much that you want to drink can be covered in that package. Now they call it new, but it's really what we have always had. They call it Unlimited Medallion Net 2.0 with fleet-wide Starlink and 5G. 5G is the faster internet that you get having Starlink on board. So with the Plus package, you get that for one device. Then also you get your gratuities are included. You get 2 of those casual dinings, those fixed prices they call them, $14.99 for the 3 course menu there. You get 2 of those during the course of your cruise. You get that free Ocean Now delivery service of your food. You get your free room service, and you get your medallion shipped to you for free. You get 2 of those fitness classes during the course of your cruise. You get 2 of the Premier desserts included with your every day, included with the Plus package, and you get the unlimited juices from the juice bar. Now, and that's $60 a day. The Premier package is $80 a day, and with that, it covers all of your drinks up to $20 each. And then, like the other one, your bottled water, your specialty coffee, 25% off bottles of wine, all of that kind of thing. It includes the Medallion Net up to 4 devices. Your gratuities, you get 2 nights of specialty dining. With the casual dining, that's the $14.99 each. You get unlimited, so as many of those as you would like. You get the free ocean delivery, so you don't have to pay that $14.99 fee. Complimentary room service. Your medallion gets shipped to you. You get that reserve seating in the Princess Theater. So when we were just on the Island Princess, they had some reserved in all the sections, the center section and the 2 sides. I would say a total of about 6 rows. And they did not release that seating until about 3 minutes before every show on the nights that we went to the theater. So you could slide in pretty late and get to sit down there. And then you get as many of those fitness classes as you want. Unlimited of those premium desserts, unlimited fresh juice. You get the unlimited digital photo package, which really, that is the only way you're going to get unlimited photos. It used to be you could pay that $199 before you went on your cruise and get all of your photos, and that is not an option anymore. And then you also get a complimentary medallion accessory, and I'm pretty sure it's the clip-on one. So you just put your medallion in the little clip, and I guess you clip it on you wherever you want. So I hope that this kind of helps you as you try to decide what you're going to do. I really think that there is going to still be a lot of discussion about whether or not people want to get the Premier package, the Plus package, or the standard package, just based on how you cruise, all of these things. It was interesting to me in the webinar I attended, some of the agents were just saying that they always book Premier, or they always book at least Plus on everybody, and quite frankly, I respect the people that I book cruises for more than that. I think it's really important to consider if that's worth it to them and if they will really use it based on what they do. So that's just me. But I wanted to put that out there. I said, please do put in the comments what you think about this. Have you gotten the Plus package before, or have you not, and now you are going to want to get the Plus package? Just let's have a really good discussion there, because I would really like to hear what you think about this and if it's going to impact what you decide to book for your next cruise. And like I said at the beginning, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. If you would give this video a thumbs up, I would sure appreciate it. It really helps us. I'll be talking to you all again really soon. You all take really good care. God bless you. Love you. Bye-bye.